Welcome back to 256 Garage, everybody. As you can see here behind me, we got the 57 back on the lift. We finally got some rocker panels for it, and that's what this video is going to be. We're going to try to get the rockers, get started on it, hopefully get them on it pretty quick. It don't need a whole lot of the rocker, just the pinch wells is kind of rusted where they meet the floor pans. So that's our main focus. We're not worried about the under part because they're still good and solid. And any old American metal you can leave on there, that's the best way to do it. But let me show you a little bit here and we'll get started on it. Okay, like I said, Drake and Alan done got it up on the lift. They're up in the mountains helping Alan's brother Michael do some work on some things, and so I'm gonna try to get started on this. Right here is the new rocker panels. Nice, good solid, thick metal feels like. Got for both sides, but let me just show you here. Most of the rocker is not in bad shape. I mean, under the bottom, the pinch well even on the bottom is good. It's right up in here where they meet to the floor pans. We put the floor pans in it already, but the pinch wells and stuff was totally gone, and we didn't even have nothing to weld the floor pan to. So that's our main focus, is from like up in here to back in here. Because like I said, all this is good. So, you know, we don't want to take out no more metal, good metal, than we have to. See, the back here may need a little more. It's a little worse shape. But mainly from here to here is the bad area. So we're going to try to get a little more light back here so we can see. It's a rainy, cold day outside, so we can't open the back door and get any light from there. But I'm fixing to try to get some stuff drugged back here, some tools, get some light so we can see, get the new rockers out of the box and kind of look at them, match them up, make sure everything's good, start cutting the old ones out. Well, like I said, it's rainy and cold outside, so we got the heat going. Trying to warm it up just a little bit before it gets started. But it gets a little warmer in here. I'm gonna find one of our lights that we move around and put inside there so it'll shine a little better. This back corner is dark, or well, back side is dark unless you can get that door open. But we're gonna get it lit up a little bit, let that heater warm us up some, start cutting some metal. Okay, we've got the front section. We got it cut out, the outer rocker. Well, guess what? Not surprised. Part of the inner rocker was rusted out. So we've cut out the part of the inner rocker from brace to brace to up there. We're going to find us a piece of sheet metal, make us because it's just flat, so we'll make us a new inner rocker before we weld on the outer rocker. So I'm going to find a piece of sheet metal and start cutting that out. Got a little sidetracked with the working there. But we got the piece put in for the inner rocker, and we got the outer rocker welded on, front and back. Let's see if I can open this door. That's tricky, but anyway, we got it welded on. Got a spot welded on the bottom. We're working on the driver's side now, and it's not as bad a shape, so we don't need the whole rocker. So we put the front section in. Inner rocker was good over here. Got the front section welded in. We're working on the back section now. Under the center post was good, so we left it, didn't worry about cutting it out. So I'm gonna get the back part ready, get it sectioned, get it welded up in there, and we'll get some E-coat primer on this thing and it'll be done, ready to ship back. So stay tuned for the final product. Okay, we got the back piece cut, fitted, tacked in. We're going to go ahead and weld it in. It really needs some work on the post here. I may see if I can find some metal for them and go ahead and cut out and weld in a couple of little patch panels there. Even though that ain't part of the rockers, but make it look a lot better. Then I got to do some touching up right up there around the center post. But that's got it tacked in. I'm going to weld it in. Front's welded in. And this thing be ready to go. Okay, the rockers in the 57 are done and complete. We sprayed a little primer on them to keep them from rusting. Got both sides welded in. That was the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. Now we fix to get them down off the lift here. Be ready for body work. We're gonna ship this thing back to Michael's house in Tennessee. I don't know if he's doing the body work for a guy or someone else is. But we've got the rockers and the floorboards put in it. See if I can open this door here one-handed. Hold on a minute. Anyway, if you remember, we put floor pans, and we just have completed the rocker. So this thing's good to go, ready to head back up that way. And we'll get something else in here. Hope everybody enjoyed it.